Guys, we have new device here. The customer said it is liquid damage, so I tried to charge. Yeah, I think it is charging. And also battery indicator says it is charging. So what could be the problem? I will try to turn on. Nothing. Guys, it is not turning on. So guys, we will open the device to check what's the problem. So as you can see guys, there is no liquid, as the customer said. He said there's a liquid, but I think there's no liquid in this device. So what we're going to do is just to remove the battery and turn it on. We will try to charge again. Guys, if it will turn on automatically after we put the charger, it means the problem was the keyboard. uh, I think the keys are working, but the problem is the power button is not working. So again, this model is Macbook Pro A1278. It is very common to uh, diagnose like this problem. I mean, this is a common problem. This model. It could be the liquid spill on the keyboard that the customer said. So I think we're going to replace the keyboard. By the way, guys, it is by default when you remove the battery and you put the charger. This model will turn on automatically, so it is very easy to diagnose which the problem. Again, this model is MacBook Pro A1278. Clean a little bit because there's a lot of dust and debris. Now we will try to turn it on without the power cable, only the battery. So it's not turning on, guys. It means that there is a problem with the keyboard. To make sure it is the keyboard problem, just hold the power button. Yeah, it is not turning off, so it means the problem was the keyboard. So what we're going to do now is just to replace the keyboard. So now, guys, we're going to remove the whole thing here so that we can access the keyboard. First, remove the battery. We will be using T6 screwdriver. It means torque number 6. Guys, a lot of times the problem was not a keyboard. I have experience before. Just reconnect the battery and it will be, that's it, and it will turn on. But this time we have to replace the keyboard. Guys, don't forget to clean if you receive any device. Don't forget to clean it. It will not take much time, and it will prevent overheating also. What I hate about this model is there's a lot of screw on the keyboard. I hate it as a technician, but if I am the owner, I don't think so. Because if I am the owner, I will buy product with quality. But as a technician, I hate it because removing these screws will take a lot of time. This is the keyboard, and we'll check compatible keyboard. Guys, make sure it is a compatible keyboard. In this model, guys, you can see if it's the right keyboard because of the enter key. The American English keyboard, I think it's different on the enter key. Guys, make sure all are this flex cable are inside, and check the power first. It's like good because it is a hassle to remove it again if you put it wrong. Guys, if you are the customer, please don't wait, don't rush the technician to fix your device like this. This customer is waiting, so I need to be fast and accurate. He said he have to travel. But our purpose here is, or our main objective is to give quality repair. So So guys, now we will try without the charger, because there's a battery, so it means it will turn on. We will see if the power button is working. Yeah, it is working. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you learn something. What my purpose on these videos, I want you to have a little knowledge about Apple devices, especially the laptops, MacBook, iPad, iPhone.